Welcome to my channel. Today we have Dan. We have Dan here today and we're going to be talking about his birds. We're going to talk about his bird collection. We're going to talk about ostriches. Are you so excited?
Yeah. Make sure you subscribe. I have this one.
So what is this?
A peacock. Peacocks have pretty wings.
Yeah, they do.
And this is a robin.
Is it a robin?
Yeah.
How do you know it's a robin?
Because it has a red belly. And the robin has a yellow beak, and I always chase one.
Really?
Yeah, and I saw a bunny before at nighttime. I have this macaw.
What is this called?
A macaw.
A macaw?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, how do you know it's a macaw?
Because my granny told me it's a macaw.
Oh.
Look.
What is that?
A bald eagle!
A bald eagle? How do you know it's a bald eagle?
Because I seen one before. Two flying up the sky.
You saw in real life?
Yeah, and the yellow beak, yellow feet with gray, and the brown body, and the white tail, white head, and the yellow eyes.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh, he's a snipe.
He's a snipe? What movie has a snipe in it?
Up!
You're right. You have eggs?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of eggs are those?
Dinosaurs!
Oh.
No, they're 10 eggs!
Oh, they're pretend eggs. What is that? It's flying.
The wings.
So what is this one?
What?
What
This-
kind of bird is this?
A macaw. Another one.
What? Are you sure?
Yes.
It's a what?
Macaw parrot!
A what?
Macaw parrot!
A what?
A macaw parrot!
Oh, a macaw parrot. Gotcha. Gotcha.
And then a toucan. And then Tookie! A rainbow toucan! And his name, Tookie.
Toucan? Is that how you say it?
No, toucan! And look at the wings, they're small.
What's that?
Another bird if we drawed.
What kind of bird is that?
A long neck bird.
Who drew this?
My mommy.
Your
and,
mom?
And I colored it in.
Okay.
I cut it out.
You cut it out?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. So cute. This is my favorite one. So up next, what we have is your favorite dinner, your favorite lunch. Sometimes you see them in your neighbor's yard. Sometimes you see their eggs in the grocery store. Tell them what we have, Dan.
A chicken! Bah, 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 bah. And now more.
These chickens, what are these?
Hens.
Oh, these are hens. What do these things do?
I used to do fireworks, but I didn't want to do it, the fireworks.
So can you tell me why birds have wings?
Because they have to fly to get predators.
Do you know what a predator means?
A predator means a dangerous animal.
You're right! What has wings but is not an animal and can fly?
That can fly, but like a bug or something. A butterfly,
Mm-hmm.
a dragonfly,
Mm-hmm.
and bees.
Yes. What else can you think of that has wings? So what can we get inside? How do we fly?
We get in a rocket ship,
What else?
airplanes,
Airplanes.
helicopters, deers fly too.
What?
Deers fly.
Deers?
Yeah, Santa's deer.
Oh, Santa's deers, of course. Duh. Have you ever seen a real life bird's nest before? Where?
At the airplane park.
No way. What did it look like?
Big as the eagle's nest.
How'd you know?
Because I saw the head.
No way.
It flied on my shoulder.
No way. And you weren't scared? You were brave?
I was like, ah! And I ran, and then the eagle pulled my hair, and with the claws on the feet, and it was lifting me up, and then it went on my shoulder.
That sounds crazy. Did you see the eggs? No.
No, I just saw the babies, and they flew. And went like, tweet, tweet.
sound does a bird make?
Caw, caw, squawk, squawk.
If you could be any bird, what bird would you be?
Hawk?
A hawk? Why would you be a hawk?
Because they're predators.
You want to be a dangerous bird? If you could fly, where would you fly?
To Alaska.
Alaska?
That's a long journey.
It's a really long journey. What would you do in Alaska?
Catch big fish.
What kind of foods do birds eat?
Worms and stuff, and fishes, and piranhas.
How do you know what a piranha is?
Because I see some at the beach.
You did not see a piranha at the beach.
Yeah. I would fly there to the beach.
Why would you fly to the beach?
To fly in the water and to catch some fish like this. And the fish was this big, this long.
How are you going to catch the fish? What are you going to use to catch the fish?
My claws.
Your sharp claws.
And I went harder and harder and harder, and I did it.
And you did it. And you caught the
Fish. And I had teeth like.
Is that how you would look? Dan has the coolest bird books. Let's show it to them. This book called Book of North American Birds. Can you show us something cool about it?
Let me find a bird. A chicken. A type of chicken.
Oh, a type of, let's see what it is. It's a greater prairie chicken. Can you say that?
Greater prairie chicken.
What do you like about it?
The cheeks. The golden cheeks.
The golden cheeks. What do you think the... Dan also has these other two really cool bird books.
Birds one.
Birds one, sorry.
These birds.
Mm.
These birds are the.
Ooh, wow.
These birds are the dangerous birds in the world because these can fight other people and kids.
What?
They can bite. They can go like.
Oh my gosh, I hope I never see one. That sounds so scary.
I saw a video.
You saw a video?
Mhm.
Was it scary?
Yeah, at my granny's house.
What kind of birds are these? You didn't say the name.
Like ostriches. And this bird can kill like little birds and they have blood on their faces.
Oh no.
They kill other birds in this whole wide world.
That's so sad. So what do we have here?
A dangerous owl!
What sound does an owl make? What are these kind of birds?
Flamingos.
Where do you see flamingos at?
The water and the zoo.
And the zoo.
They're usually like white, and then when they eat shrimp, that means they'll get pink.
They eat shrimp and that's how they get pink?
Mm-hmm.
What? Okay, so our next book is
Birds too.
what's on the cover?
Not a flamingo.
Not a flamingo.
My favorite one. This favorite page.
What's on it?
My favorite bird is this kind too.
What is it called?
A blue gray heron.
It looks so cool. Look at the legs.
They're orange.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Bye. Don't tell.
What?
Sorry. Excuse me. You guys.
Excuse me. And I hope you...
Too much kisses.
What was that all about? Well,
Sorry. No sour.
no sour? 1, 2, 3. Thanks for watching. Just say thanks for watching.